Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nessie, and in today's video I want to show you how to prepare pure avocado oil. So with me here I have 2 avocados. As you can see, I have my knife, I have a pan here, and then I have a blender, but it's not a must to use a blender. If you don't have one, you can mash the avocados. So let's get started. So I'll start by cutting off my avocado into 2. And then I remove the fresh part of it, like that. Remove the oil part, like that. And I get the other. I remove the fresh part also. Then I'll cut the other avocado. I used 2 avocados because they are big in size. If they were small, I would have used maybe 3 or 4, but 2 are enough for me. After I'm done with that, I'll take my blender. This is my blender, guys. So I'll put my avocados here. Remember I said if you don't have a blender, you can mash it. You can mash the avocado. So I'll turn on the blender, and then I'll blend my avocados. So I'll put my avocados in my pan. Then I'll place it on fire. So remember, I'm not putting any water. You just blend the avocados without any water. Just avocados. And this is what you get, guys. This is my blended avocado. It is very fine, as you can see. So I'll put this on fire. And yeah, we start the process. Yes, so I'll start the process of the extraction of oil now from this avocado. I'll leave it for some like 15 minutes so that the oil starts getting out of this stuff. Yeah, we continue until it gets dry. So this is an option. There's another way you can do this. Instead of using fire, maybe you can put the mixture or the avocado, the blended avocado in a tray and place it in an open air for it to dry. But because I didn't want to do that, I'm using fire. So I leave this for 15 minutes for it to start the oil to start coming out of it, and then I'll show you how it goes, guys. So let us give it 15 minutes and see how it will be. So as you can see, my avocado has started eating up. You can see, guys. So I'll leave it for 15 minutes and then we'll see how it will be. Now after, this is how it is. It is drying up. We'll wait for it until it gets to a point that it turns its color to almost brown. That is now when I'll extract the oil. So I'll give it some time. Then you can see it's almost dry. I want it dry. As you can see. The heat should not be too high, at the same time it should not be very low. It should be maybe moderate. Yeah, let's leave it for some time. Yeah, let's give it some time. So guys, as you can see, this is how my avocado looks like. Yeah, as you can see, it has almost dried up completely. So I'll remove it from heat or from the fire and leave it to cool down so that now I can squeeze to get the oil. Remember, this avocado oil is nice for your hair growth, or it is essential for your hair growth or for hair growth, and even it can be used for cooking. But for me, I prepared this for my hair. There's a video I did about the preparation of avocado hair mask, and I say that most of the products that I use on my hair are purely natural. I prepare them in my house. So this is part of it. I decided to prepare some oil for my hair, avocado oil. So I'll leave this for some time for it to cool down, and then I'll show you the process of squeezing the oil from it, guys. Okay, see you then. Yeah, guys, here we are with our final thing. I want us to extract oil now from our dried avocado. So I have a cloth here. You can use a cheesecloth, but for me I'm using this. So I'll start squeezing the oil. So I'll put see, guys. This is the oil we are talking about. So I'll squeeze. You can see the amount of oil depends on the number of avocados you used. and squeeze all of it. So guys, this is some part of it, some of it. So I'll squeeze the other remaining stuff, and then I'll show you the final thing, or what I get after I squeeze everything. So I'll squeeze. You can see we are talking of avocado oil, and we say that it is good for our skin and also for hair growth. So this is the other part, or the remaining stuff. So I'll squeeze until I get everything, guys. Yeah. Yes. This is it, guys. I think my quantity is not as much because I used 2 avocados. So you can see this is my oil. So this is what I use to apply on my hair. It is so essential, or it is very beneficial to hair. So I'll use it on my hair. So, and as you can see, I can use it as oil, skin oil. I think you can try to do it and see how it goes. So this is my avocado oil. Not as much, but yeah, that is the process of extracting the oil from avocado. Thank you guys for watching. Kindly remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Support your girl, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.